Hi, this is Sharon Lim. I'm independent Stampin' Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today we're going to do this lovely pleated card. I use the Thoughtful Moments dies and embossing folder for the sentiment, and for the DSP I use the Forever Love, and here is a sample of all the designs. The front part, lovely golded parts, and then on the other side some lovely pastel colors. So let's get started. First, you're going to need a card base that is 5.5 by 8.5, scored at 4 1/4. Another piece of cardstock measuring 3 by 4 1/4, and then taking your DSP that's measuring 4 by 7, scoring at 1/2, 1, 2, 2.5, 3.5, 4, 5, 5.5, and 6.5. Basically, the pattern is 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch, and then inch, 1/2 inch, 1/2 inch. That's the pattern after the 2 1/2 inch in the beginning. So first we're going to do the card base. So let's go ahead and score along to get that card base done. And set aside this cardstock for a second. And then for the DSP, starting from left to right. Let's start with the side that has 2 1/2 inch parts that are scored first, leaving the one that's 1/2 inch and 1 inch on the right side. And you're going to do a mountain fold, that means upwards this way, then a valley fold there. And you're going to continue that pattern along the way. So mountain, valley, mountain, valley. So do you see that pattern? Mountain, valley, and then mountain. Go ahead and fold those all down. Use your bone folder to reinforce that to make it nice and crisp. You see that? And that way you'll have all your pleats. Then we're going to go ahead and get the glue ready. And you're going to flip it over on this side, and you're going to glue down all the 1/2 inch sides, because you want the pleats to really lay flat. So you want to make sure that you have a nice stream of glue that'll hold the entire pleat down, unless you want some of the parts to be kind of poking up. If you like that look, I prefer the flat look of the pleat. So I'm going to go ahead and just glue all those down, flip it over, and then we're going to repeat that process on the front. If you don't glue them down, I'll show you what it looks like. It'll do that. See how it's kind of puckering up? So you want to do the glue on the front, because you want it all nice and flat. Press that down again, burnish it down with the bone folder and holding it down for a minute just to let the glue set, and you have a lovely pleat. Look at that, nice and flat. So then I'm gonna go ahead and put some more glue on the back, or should I use some, let me see, let's see, I think I have some Stampin' Seal. Put a T for the top just to remind me. Let's do that instead. So some adhesive on the pleat. I'm going to face it this way. Repeat again on the cardstock. Put that lid back on. And then I also cut out one of the sentiments. And another tip that I got from my friend Nell is she used a blends to put on top of her dimensional so she can tell when she actually takes the release paper off. I thought that was brilliant, so you don't have to wonder and run your hand over the dimensionals to see, did I take these off or not? Because sometimes you can't tell. And I'll be honest, my eyes are getting a little old that it might take a while for me to actually see that. So there it is. And that's it. It's a real quick and simple pleat card. This one I use the same colors as the sample, and then I have a few more samples that I use different DSP for it. I think the DSP, let me see. The Nature Sweetness DSP for that one, and some Pebble Path and some Wild Wheat. This one actually used the Pretty Peacock and the Lost Lagoon. So thanks for letting me share this with you. If you like this video and like to learn some more of my video tutorials, don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.